Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So what we have here is my brother's iPhone 6s. This has been his main phone since 2016 when the iPhone 7 came out, and he's never had any repairs or anything on it, and his battery is at 83% health, so I'm going to be replacing it today. It has the issue with supporting peak performance, so it has throttling and random shutdown issues, and it just doesn't perform very well anymore. But it's still a nice phone. It's in pretty good condition, like very, very good condition. It was in an OtterBox for most of its life, and it's 128 gigabytes. So anyways, we're going to be fixing this for him with this brand new aftermarket but good working battery. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. So I began by lifting the screen and completely removing that so we wouldn't damage the screen in the process of replacing the battery. So as you can see here, I'm removing the battery adhesive so I can take the battery out. And after doing that, I go to the sides of the phone and take off the dust seal adhesive, because when I put the new stuff down, the old stuff would get in the way of the new seal. And I'm also removing it from the screen. It gets stuck to both the screen and the housing. And then I'm putting in the new battery and sealing it all back up. You'll notice after reassembling that I heat it up and then put a box over it. That is just to make sure the dust seal is on properly. And there you go, guys. My brother's iPhone 6s has a brand new battery with 100% health and should be back to good working order. Should be a lot faster and last a lot longer. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.